How to be offline in Knives Out. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, we are learning how to enjoy a game peacefully without interruptions or just get some quiet time in the matches by being offline in Knives Out. First of all, launch open the Knives Out game and wait for the main lobby to load. Once you're inside the lobby page, go to the gear icon at the top of the screen. And now from the gear menu, scroll down from the left hand side and select Social. Inside Social, scroll down and look for the Interaction Settings tab. Right next to Online Status, select the Hide option. Right after you do that, you'll be able to be invisible in Knives Out. Apart from Hide, you can also go ahead and select other options such as Request Invitation, Busy. If you tap on the More Status option, you can choose other status as well. Once you've done making your selection, click on Confirm and now get back to the home screen of Knives Out, and there you have it. You have successfully turned off the online status or hidden yourself in Knives Out. Now you can stay more private and relaxed while playing. Enjoy your matches your way, quiet, focused, and stress-free. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.